This is another mystery stone that I have here. It is the third stone that I've cut and ground from the Dugway geobeds. If any of you know what kind of stone or mineral that this is from that area, please leave a comment so that we can all know. Otherwise, yeah, this is the third one, and it has lots of color, and I look forward to seeing it as a finished piece. I started the grind with this sphere with my diamond infused studded beads, but I ended up finishing it with this 50 grit pads because the stone was a little soft and wasn't wearing evenly. So the pads were to my advantage. Here, after the finished grind, I'm using a 400 grit to start my polish. This next round is with 800 grit pads. This next go round is on 1500 grit pads. All right, this is the last and final stage of the polishing, and this is with a 3000 grit. All right, we're finished with the 3000 grit here, and it looks nice and nice and shiny. Wiping away some of this water. Seems to look good. Let's see what it looks like under better lighting. All right, here we go. Here's the finished product of this mystery stone found at the Dugway geobeds, and it turned out great. Look at the shine on it. It has some really nice features. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see that it has the orangey red rust
color, which also I brought with me. This is another one, another stone that was found in the same area, and you can see it has that same orangey brown rust color, but there's not nearly as much black in this one as there is in this one. This one has more of a granite look to it, even though it's not granite, but it turned out great. That area has some really nice different stones. Even though it's called a geobed, I never found any geodes there. They must have been all picked out. But yeah, some of the really nice features that this one has is not only that orangey brown color, but it has a lot of these little crystals throughout. And I wish I had a better zoom on my camera. You can see you can see pretty deep down in some of those crystals, but yeah, my camera doesn't quite pick it up well enough. But it has some very nice features, and this will be an excellent piece to my collection. And so if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share it with someone who you think might be interested in it. Otherwise, thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.